Alright. Dragged it out of the garage, adjusted the valves, primed the fuel system. Got my little box hooked up. I did start it for like 30 seconds just about a minute ago, but it's still pretty much cold. So I'm going to start it up so you can hear it run. Using my little box here. Generator oil pressure. Oil pressure and generator lights both go out. And there it is. I did adjust the valves this morning. I did not change the oil, but I did check it and it's good. I'm actually surprised it started as easily as it did. Doesn't shake, idles on all four. We're good to go. Generator oil lights are out.